it's too small of a prop, that's what the problem is.
Assisted start.
Yeah, there it is.
So his boat needs to be thrown in before,
Goes in the water.
instead of putting it in then starting. It's kind of like a running start, where he throws in, then as soon as it touches the water it starts. He has to do that because this boat's got some problems. Anyways, it's race 4. Got the wood boats out.
There's no flags
He's gonna porpoise the whole track.
on it. Mine is too, I think.
You running, bud? Okay.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Gotta change the view.
I think George, you knock him off plane, you're gonna beat him. That's evil. Like that.
Oh, it's swivel. Not perfect. Number 13, I think. No, 18. Number 18, the not perfect. Seems to be in first place, which means it's perfect. That's awesome. Not anymore. Someone's forking it. Oh. What? I lost count of how many laps were done. Not perfect. Second.
Sarah, you had him. 5 foot.
I guess I actually got second.
Hmm?
Warren's first, I was second.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't see Warren get in there first. I thought you were in front of him.
No.
Okay.
No, I never passed in. I'd like to say yeah, but because with that loss, I need all wins to go. I'm ready.
I've got rock.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and skip.
I gotta go when he says start.
3, 2.
Wait, he's not in.
3, 2, 1, start.
Oh, come on. To make the widest stars he wants. We all know that you know that we know that you know. Honestly, I don't understand why this is a thing. Why can't people just race real boats and call it a day? No one ever does it anyways. Tiny little
Just too
wood
much.
boat.
I'm faster than him by a little bit, but it's not enough real estate.
Ah. Try all of it. So we're changing it up a little bit. That is not what I thought. Apparently they did the cats last round because they were supposed to do wood, but someone had to take theirs apart. So they substituted it. And now since that person is ready,
Photobomb.
now we can do woods. So yeah. Race 2 of round 2.
Round 2, race 1.
We did mini, remember?
Round 2 for wood boats. Round 2, race 1.
But I'm going by doing all of the
Let's go, people. The boat
categories
is taking
as a
water
round.
on.
Ready, steady, go!
Oh, come on. Please get splashed. Anyways, off we go. Ba-da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da.
Sure you don't want me to throw it in for you? Good.
All good?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Finally, I didn't get splashed. I think his boat has the whole lake in it. I think your boat has half of the lake in it.
Yeah, I broke the prop and I dropped it back this.
Meow. Oh. Circle. Is that what I see? Oh my god. The person who never, the one person who like never wins is gonna win. Make the wide turns. Wow. That's not depressing. Hey, disconnected.
No, no weed.
Ay, ay.
Are we on there?
So, who won?
Sarah.
Oh. Would you look at that?
Yeah, I guess it was too wet. I don't know. I'm last.
You won. I think so, at least.
You or George? I don't know.
You guys know the order? George did not finish.
Yep. You won. And
No, I just brought it in. I see it in.